Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Startrader app on PC. Let's get started. First, access the Startrader app. Open your preferred web browser and go to official site startrader.com, and you'll see the option to use the web version of Startrader, which works both on Windows and Mac. Here, click sign up and fill your email, phone number, or social login if available, and complete any verification steps, which may include uploading an ID for identity verification. And after registering, enter your email and password and click login. And once logged in, you'll land on dashboard. The dashboard shows markets, assets, charts, and trading tools. You can access Forex, commodities, indices, and shares, and create watch list for quick access to your favorite asset. You can place a trade, enter your trade size, adjust the risk setting, and confirm to place the trade. And go to open position to view active trades. You can close positions and adjust stop loss, take profit, and use a built-in chart for analysis. Safety note: StarTrader is not a fully regulated, so trading involves risk. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.